We know the sacrifice they make is so huge for our country and to keep us safe. So just something as simple as that might make their day, even if it's just for a moment. To me, it's something. I had a friend out at Fort Jackson that had made the comment that, during the December months, there's that 2-week period right at Christmas time that the soldiers, some of them have to stay on base because they don't have the opportunity to go back home to be with family or don't want to go back home, can't afford it, etc. So I started making, collecting baked goods, making baked goods, snacks, buying stuff to take out to Fort Jackson. That led, a couple years into that led me thinking, well, I ought to take some stuff out to the airport where they can give them out to soldiers that have just recently graduated from basic training. If I can get a couple of friends in, it only takes us a couple hours to put the bags together, so it's really simple, doesn't take that long, and it just is very enjoyable doing it when you're doing it just because you're doing something kind for someone else. A month ago, hearing that we are now one of the major sponsors for the USO, I'm not gonna lie, it brought a tear to my eye. It felt so good to see that not only are they backing a charity that's dear to my heart, but they're also giving back to the community and there to support the USO, and that's just so strong.